Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram post automatically delete problem? Don't worry, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now long press on Instagram apps. Open Instagram app info. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now open in Instagram. Now go to your profile and see problem solved successfully. If still problem not resolved, then follow next step. Click on 3-line icon. Now scroll down, go to archive option. Here you will see all deleted post. Now recover your post from here. Click on 3 dot icon. Click on show on profile. Now again click on show on profile. Now go to your profile and see deleted post is back. In this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.